shop and they yes no I complete my they enter in the shop and they eat the brain of shopkeeper.
Especially as a boy or a man selling something and they see girls, definitely they will say, for you baji, for you sister, I will give you 100% more discount.
You were saying shipping charges. So do you think that when you go physical outside, so you were flying, you will fly, don't you will consume the fuel charges or rickshaw charges as well?
Are you getting over? Like, why did you reduce the price all of a sudden? When I am about to leave, they reduce 100 rupees. So what the hell is going on?
You can touch, try out products before buying.
And they go outside in the market and roaming for 3 hours, and after 4 hours and after 3 hours they choose one shop.
I think improving the behavior.
Yes.
It is the most important things to.
Behavior is very good.
Sometimes when we order multiple things, multiple products, so they come one by one with their delivery charges.
Which thing is not available in your area? How you purchase?
Of course, 2024 and online business, online selling is spreading like a fire in the forest.
No need to wait for the delivery, no need to wait for looking for discounts.
Like this kind of bargaining, going on. So what do you consider that this is like the good thing? Like people are just, a kind of begging to the shopkeeper?
In online shopping, how can you trust that the product can be reached at your doorstep very safely?
It's famous that girls are very conscious on their requirements.
Boys cannot, because boys cannot do it bargain because boys have too much attitude.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, the eternal, the omnipresent, who has created 7 earth and 7 skies, in fact, who has created everything. O Allah, increase our knowledge and let us act upon it. Well, today we are going to have debate about traditional shopping versus online shopping. So who all are supporting traditional shopping? Please raise your hand. Okay. Who all are supporting online shopping? Raise your hand. Okay. All the boys are supporting online shopping and all the girls are supporting traditional shopping. Okay, that's good, fine. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just introduce yourself. Okay, just give your short introduction and then share one point why you support traditional shopping and why you support online shopping. Okay, so who is going to say something first? Okay, cool.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Maria Khanam and today's topic is that traditional shopping versus online shopping, and I would like to support definitely traditional shopping. Because traditional shopping offers two-hand experience where consumers can see, touch, try a product before making a purchase. That's why I support traditional shopping.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rabia and I have been learning English language course for 2 months. Today, our today's topic is in traditional shopping versus online shopping. So I am in favor of traditional shopping because according to me, traditional shopping is much better, because in traditional shopping you can feel and observe the product. You can touch, try out products before buying. So in my eyes, traditional shopping is better rather than online shopping.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Binish. My father name is Abdul Rahim. I am doing ADC BCom Part 1. Today's our topic is traditional shopping versus online shopping. So I am supporting traditional shopping. Through traditional shopping, we can get that thing which we are watching, and sometimes some products can be checked at a time.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Hafsa Rauf. I am doing ADC Part 1, BCom Part 1. Our debate topic is traditional shopping versus online shopping. I am supporting traditional shopping because the happiness and of offline shopping and spending time and loved ones.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyida Manu Shiraz and today our debate topic is online shopping versus traditional shopping, and I'm obviously supporting traditional shopping because in traditional shopping we can physically inspect the products, so that it could meet my expectations.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyeda Maharo Shiraz and I chose the side of traditional shopping because shoppers have the opportunity to touch, see and try on products before making a purchase, reducing the risk of dissatisfaction.
Assalamu alaikum to all. This is Mohammad Kashan, and today we are here to debate on a topic, and the topic is traditional shopping versus online shopping. I am supporting online shopping because first of all, I would like to remind you all that we are living in 2024. Everything have been updated, everything have been modified, and the way of selling anything or buying anything also been updated. So of course, I prefer to update ourselves according to our time. Second thing is that the reason why I'm supporting online is that it saves our time. Because being as a boy and as a man's perspective, we already have a hectic schedule. We do 10 or 12 hours job, and after that activity we do not have sufficient energy to go outside and to buy something. Alright, so it's much easy for ourselves that we sit in a room or where we sit and just go on an app or website and buy whatever you want. Alright, so that's why I always prefer online shopping and online payment as well. Thank you so much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. My name is Nadeem Ahmed and I support online shopping because online shopping is becoming increasingly popular.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohsen Raza. Today I support online shopping because it saves our precious time.
Well, my name is Anas Amin. I'm supporting online shopping, and it is my point of view. You can shop any time and anywhere with the internet connections. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Hassan Khan and I'm learning English over here. Today's topic is traditional shopping versus online shopping, and I support online shopping because it saves our times and we can get bank discounts, and also we can avail another promotions on it. Thank you very much.
Okay, now this is just, you have introduced yourself. Now the party is going to be started. Okay, I mean, now we are going to prove something. Actually, you are not just going to win the debate, also you are supporting your gender, okay? Because all the boys are supporting online shopping, and this is technology-driven century, okay? And all the girls are supporting traditional shopping. So this is, also like we have been purchasing a lot of things, for many years. So this is, also beneficial. Okay, let's see what you are going to say. Who wants to say first?
It's famous that girls are very conscious on their requirements.
So this is my question of online supporters. Why are you supporting online shopping?
As I shared my perspective in my introduction point, that first of all, the boys already have a hectic schedule. Of course, if I talk about myself, I already have a job, and we already spend so much time at 8 hours or 10 hours in a job. After that activity, we do not have sufficient energy to go outside, all right, and buy physical things.
This is very valid point. Yes.
So now, let's suppose if I want to buy something, if I want to buy my shoes, and if I will get a half-hour break in my job, a lunch break, let's suppose. So it's not possible that in this half hour I will go to the shop, I will buy the shoes and I will come. But it can be possible that I can use mobile, I can go on the website, the concerned website, and I can buy over there. No? So, and the thing will be arrived at my doorstep. So there's a main concern because in this busy world, of course, the issue of traffic as well. Of course, if you expect weather is really hot, and if about traffic update, that if you are expecting that you will go somewhere at half an hour, but it will take 1.5 hours. So I don't think so that after a very busy schedule, you can go somewhere and buy something else. And of course, it's 2024 and someone is providing you online service. Is someone providing you something at your doorstep? So why should we not avail this? So that's why.
Okay, so but nowadays boys and girls both are doing job and both have like tough schedule. So it's not depend on schedule. If you want to buy immediate anything like before Eid one day. So how can you buy online? Because before Eid, like 2 days or 3 days before Eid, every services are closed from Karachi, from Hyderabad, Lahore. So how can you buy online for Eid?
What is the solution for that?
Okay, if you are talking about event, that if you think that you have to buy something for the event and you have to buy something for gifted someone for an event, so of course you have to know about the date at the date which the event will come. So while you are waiting for the event, you should order it on 1 month ago.
So, but if you forget, so what will you do? Definitely you will buy. Okay, you forget. It doesn't mean that you will not buy. If you want to buy immediate, I'm asking about immediate. So how will you buy? Please tell.
Okay, first of all, I wanna share. I wanna answer you that if you are saying that you forgot something to order and that's why you are not ordering online. So it's not the disadvantage of online shopping. It's your fault. Because online shopping is for make your life easier. I wanna tell you one more thing. There is a man, the richest man in the world, and his name in the list of the topper in the world. Few times ago it was Bill Gates, but now Bill Gates is on second number. First person is Jeff Bezos, and he is the owner of Amazon, and Amazon is an online company. So the company which which famous. So who made this company famous? Of course, the online services and people availing these services, and they made it online. So if you are saying that online service is stupidity and it's not so.
I didn't say it's stupidity.
So, all right.
In online shopping, how can you trust that the product can be reached at your doorstep very safely? And beside that, how can you in online shopping requires personal information and financial information, and how can you trust that website if that website is not secure?
Might be any scam.
Yep.
Wow, this is also very important.
I give one point. The advantage of online shopping is safely and variety and online payment and other things.
In traditional shopping, we have the option of bargaining as well.
Why support women offline shopping or traditional shopping? Because they want to go outside. For go outside, and when they go outside, they want 3 friends with fun, and they go outside in the market and roaming for 3 hours, and after 4 hours, and after 3 hours they choose one shop, and they enter. I complete my. They enter in the shop and they eat the brain of shopkeeper, and they see thousands of suits and choose only one black suit. Yes, and next day, women say to his brother, when you return from office, you return this black suit. Nowadays it is scorching so hot. Temperature is 42 degree. You exchange light color as a blue color, and again brother go to the shop and spend the petrol, and again. So what benefit?
I've observed that when we go for traditional shopping, physically we go, and take the example of like we are going to buy bridal suit. Okay, they show us different suits. When they realize that we like something, then they tell us the price 5 to 6 times more than that the actual price. Then we have to have a good bargaining, and sometimes we have the bargaining like, please give me some, please leave some rupees in my pocket, I don't have petrol in my bike or car, something like that. Like this kind of bargaining going on. So what do you consider that this is like the good thing, like people are just a kind of begging to the shopkeeper?
This is from our
In the mic.
This is from our mother sides. They teach us in a very well manner way. If we go with our mother, so she bargaining, like if a person give me a suit in a 1,000 rupees, and she will definitely say that 300, 400 or not 500, and we will like
It's a kind of vicious
Yeah,
cycle, you know.
yeah.
They tell us, very high price, then we are having, bargaining, this and that.
It's girls' style.
They are telling us different stories.
Yeah, yeah.
The inflation has gone really high, this and that, and then we have so many problems. Electricity, charges, this and that, so many things.
Yeah.
So,
It's girls' style, sir, and girls can do.
cover this thing
Yeah,
all the time.
yeah, sir.
Why don't we go for online? There is
Boys
no
cannot
bargaining.
because boys has
Just
sir
take
boys
it.
cannot do it bargain because boys have too much attitude. We will not like attitude. We will not do bargaining.
In traditional shopping, we can feel and touch the things. Sometimes the display something else, but sometimes the display something else, but
You or something else.
but the get
We get something else.
we get the opposite things.
Okay, I want to ask you online, supporters, like so many cases, I know many people, in my circle that they selected something, and when they get something that is quite different. In fact, sometimes the colors are different, you select something else. And what about the quality? Sometimes you get, like things are broken. Indeed, and then you have to suffer like emailing process, this and that. So what do we need to do then?
When we talk about online shopping and online platform, so I would recommend all you guys that go on the brand website, not on the cheaper website or newcomer website, because brand never compromise on their quality and on their customers as well. For let's suppose if you want to buy something from Bonanza, Alkaram, all right, Khadi, and so the thing which they are showing in their shop and the thing which they are showing on their website, you will get the exactly thing. It's my personal experience.
I agree.
Yeah. So always go on the brand website. Daraz is a very popular name. Amazon is a very popular name. Walmart is a very popular name. There are the companies who are providing online service. They are not selling anything else. The sellers opening their shop online there, and they are just connecting the people, the sellers or the buyers. They are not selling anything else, and they are in the market just because of their services. So of course they are providing the quality service. They are in the market. People appreciating them. You can go on Google and you can check the portfolio of Daraz. You can check the portfolio of Amazon. I have told you that the owner of Amazon is the richest person in the world. Even he beat Bill Gates as well. So how? So I would recommend you guys to go on the popular website, brand website, if you want to do online shopping. So inshallah you will never get a scam.
You're right that brands do not compromise on their products, but it is easier to go to shops by yourself and get that thing on the time, rather than waiting days for that product, and also spending extra shipping fees for the product.
Okay, might be you're right according to your profile because you are are a student girl and you have sufficient time. But what about that girls who are married and who are, if he wants some groceries item and do not have sufficient time to go out outside because they have to look after her children, her parents as well. So is it the easiest option to go on the website? Let's suppose if you want some groceries item, go on the Kravmart app and order whatever you want. It's talk to them, ask to them. They will answer, yeah, it's most difficult that we have to look after our family, the children, then we have to go outside. If I talk about my sister, of course, he live in a nuclear family system. So whenever she pays, she wants to pay a bill, she send a bill to me and I pay them online. It's the example of online bill, but the same example as well. She wants to something online, she will order online. She doesn't need to go outside and the market.
Even food items we are ordering online nowadays. This is also the brilliant and convenient, like we can convince easily.
I will definitely say that married girl or unmarried girl, if she wants to buy makeup products, so definitely she should go in market, because if we order some makeup products and it gets in like broken, so it seems like our heart is broken.
Wow, yes, Like makeup product is broken. Container, like the makeup is in the container.
Colors are changed.
It is picked up now. What's a brilliant point?
In traditional shopping, we have the option of trial first.
No need to wait for the delivery, no need to wait for looking for discounts.
Okay, now when we talk about online, we should also consider the situation of our internet, service. Like in so many areas, we don't have electricity, and we are thinking about internet, online purchasing something. This is also should be considered. Okay, what do you say now?
In this country and this city, people doesn't have electricity, but everyone have internet, even of their neighbor's connection. All right. So this is the Pakistani, and these are the technique of Pakistani. Even a guy doesn't have internet, so it will ask the password to their friends and neighbor. But so the internet, everyone has internet. All right.
Which thing is not available in your area? How you purchase?
Oh wow, it's a brilliant question. Yeah. $1 million question.
And online.
So many things in remote areas, we don't have that. Like, so how can we buy? Even sometimes we have to buy something from outside the country.
Sir,
How can we buy that? Online will be able to help us.
because a person can purchase anything, any product out of country.
Definitely, your question is right, and I will give you answers that we will definitely buy online because that time we get compelled. Nothing else, because we want to buy and we should buy. Like sometimes it happens with me also, like I want to buy some skin care products and it is not in Karachi, it is in Lahore, Hyderabad and Gujranwala, something like that. So I will definitely buy it, but I would like to say that traditional shopping is rather than online, because if I want to buy perfume, how can I taste? Is it like smells or like it's a smell like
Oh, $86,400 million question. Like how can we check the fragrance?
it's a smell like amore, it's a smell like how is the smell like that? That's
Sometimes when we order multiple things, multiple products, so they come one by one with their delivery charges. So from the RAS. So if we do offline shopping, so if we take rickshaw, so we can just pay for it for 1-2 times, only one time, and we can buy multiple products.
Yes, I agree with her.
If someone has a physical disability or issue with their hands or feet and needs a job or they able to go outside to work, so they should definitely consider starting an online store
Oh, it's a brilliant point. Yeah.
which can be managed from home. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, this is right. Like the point is really valid. It's not just imagination or something. Someone who is disabled, has some problem. So how, like, he cannot or she cannot have physical shop. So that person can easily run the business, being at home. So this is technology-driven century. So we should use our mind. Okay, it's a brilliant point. Yeah.
In traditional shopping, we go to market by foot, which is very good for our health.
Like I have observed, sometimes, we go to fruit truck, the person who is selling fruit. When we ask the price, he says, for you, 200 rupees, just 200 rupees. Then I ask in return, for what? For what? Who am I for you? Like, what my relation for you? Why are you selling me just for 200 rupees? Are you getting it? Like, why did you reduce the price all of a sudden? When I am about to leave, they reduce 100 rupees. So what the hell is going on?
Sir, this is her or his business style, nothing else. And especially as a boy or a man selling something and they see girls, definitely they will say, for you Baji, for you sister, I will give you 100% more discount, because girls impress in this way, like 100 or 200, yeah, discount. Yeah.
In traditional shopping, returning items and getting refunds are quicker and easier than online shopping.
Yes, really nice.
I have observed that two person asked the question about shipping charges. You were saying shipping charges. So do you think that when you go physical outside, so you were flying and you will fly over, don't you will consume the fuel charges or rickshaw charges as well? of course it will be consumed. So replace the charges, but at least a person who is sitting in your home like your brother, of course you will not go outside alone, na? You will take your father with them. So make them relax, na? They are doing jobs, and then they will go with your market, and after you are spending the same amount in against account of fueling expense and transportation expense. So same charges will be.
One more thing, we are sometimes we don't want to go alone. We are begging or asking from friends, or please give me some time. Come with me. I want to shop something, this and that, and then they have no excuses.
If I want to buy a face powder, or if I want to buy foundation or concealer, but I like Huda Beauty concealer, I like Miss Rose foundation, and I like O2 products of concealer. So definitely I will pay shipping cost O2 products, Huda Beauty product, and Miss Rose product. And if I go in auto, I will give auto man 100 or 200 rupees. But I will buy 100 or 100 or in 200 rupees. I will buy 3 things and many things in market.
But what if someone is new to electronics mobility? So how can he order online?
Who doesn't know how to operate, like he or she doesn't know how to order online.
Then he
And
obviously
she's
have
trying
to-
buy something and she has bought something else, and then there's a foreign thing. Yes, good.
So he obviously have to go by walk to buy the product he want to buy.
Brilliant point. Yes.
First of all, the answer of your question, if you're saying that we have to just pay only 200 rupees and 300 rupees and we can purchase whatever. So first of all, don't count 200 or 300. You're also consuming your physical efforts over there. Count them. All right, you are going outside, you are walking, you're spending your energy, or not only yours energy, the person who is with you, your mother, your father, your friends, whatever. First of all, that thing. Second thing is that you said when he asked that about the product which is not in your area, you said that there are compulsion to order online, and you said that if you on my question about compulsion. So at the time of compulsion, the online platform helping you, that's the power of online shopping, and that's I'm here to describing that. Thank you so much.
Nowadays, young generation are more comfortable with this technology, and online shopping opens 24 hours. It is hours a day.
This is also the benefit.
Is it-
Anytime you can buy.
Yeah, it is a.
Just wake up and then you say, wow, I want to buy a t-shirt.
Yes, it is a big advantage.
That's good, fine. Now I want to ask the boys who are supporting, online shopping. Okay, now I want to ask you that how or what things should be done to improve, like the traditional shopping, like you are supporting online shopping. So what things should be done to improve, like the sale or anything? What do you think that we should improve something in traditional shopping? What do you think?
Actually, sir, sorry to say, but the women's and females' mindset are this: they are never satisfied by anything. They are saying that they are so conscious, that's why they are not supporting online, because they have to satisfy by physically. But that's my personal perspective, that if they will go outside and they will do physical shopping as well, even they will not satisfy, even they will make the message the shopkeeper shop, and the next day they will say, return it, I don't want this. So what should I do? What should I say?
No one can do anything in that.
So that's why I also you guys make you remind one more time. Of course, it's 2024 and online business, online selling is spreading like a fire in the forest. All right. So that's why we are here to support.
Okay, now you support, traditional shopping, like physical shopping, going to the shop and purchasing something. Now I would like to ask you that what should be done to improve or to get satisfaction in case of online shopping? What should be done?
For online shopping supporters, I want to say that you should improve that the quality, what should you show in image, and what I received the parcel, and you should also improve your delivery charges. It's also a lot delivery charges high, so it's improved that.
I want to suggest them that there should be no risk of delaying or lost packet, any scam, or losing packages.
Yeah, I want to suggest them their returns can be complicated many times, so they should improve that. Delivery is too delay.
And return policy.
Yeah, return policy. Because every brand has not return policy.
I want to end my debate with the answer of your question. If you are saying that online sellers should focus on quality of product, should focus on reality of product, should focus on return quantity as well. So as I told you that you should go on the brand website, and if you will purchase anything from brand website, so that website will be responsible of your any convenience. Let me tell you that I have worked in Daraz in customer care. So if any customer receive fake item, so they will call on customer care services and it will be returned by the Daraz, and even the seller will not pay the amount, so Daraz will pay the amount by their self. They have their rules and regulation. Their companies, the companies which are living in the market, Amazon, Walmart and Daraz, I shared the name. So they have the rules and regulation. They have the customer care department as well. They have the seller support department as well. All right. So
it's not something like very dark that
no.
nobody.
And the online business is growing so fast. It is a proof that online is working and is easier than offline.
Well, I'm suggesting to you. I think improving the behavior. It is the most important things to. Most important. That's right.